I don't think she really is threatened by it.
This one isn't just about a probation violation, it's about how quickly things can escalate inside a family. The defendant said he was just trying to protect his kids, but the words he chose kind of put him in a very, very different position. So, watch how this hearing moves from conflict into something a little more human, and watch how Judge Anzalone handles that balance. My name is Dan. This is the Courtroom Files. Ellie's here too.
All right. Mr. Daggermark goes in. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
So you've had a chance to speak with Mr. Davis.
Yes.
All right. And how would Mr. Davis like to proceed today?
Your Honor, regarding the violation of probation, I reviewed the allegation as well as the recommendation. At this time, Mr. Davis will enter a plea to the violation of probation, and I would ask for just to move forward with sentencing based on the recommendation. And then for the show cause, I don't know what the court wants to do, but I did talk with him, and he says, yeah, I never got the notice. So I think if we just take care of the violation of probation, that might be enough.
Well, the show cause and request for probation violation. So if he pleads to the violation, we're done, right?
Yeah, I just want to make sure there's not like a, contempt for missing court or something like that.
No,
Understood.
we're good.
Okay.
No, he came to court.
Yeah.
It's a request and summons, so there's no contempt, just the vote. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Davis, raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
So, Mr. Davis, you've had an opportunity to review the probation violation that's alleged against you. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then we also provided Mr. Daggermargosian a copy of the sentencing recommendations. So you got an opportunity to review that as well.
Yes.
Okay. Are you satisfied with Mr. Daggermargosian as your attorney and the advice that he's given you?
Yes. Yep.
Do you understand? You have a right to contest this violation of probation charge and to have a hearing on it. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that throughout that hearing, you would be presumed innocent until your guilt is proven by a preponderance of the evidence?
Yes.
You have a right to have all the witnesses against you appear at your trial, to have your lawyer ask those witnesses questions, or you may ask them yourself, or have me order any witnesses you might have to appear. Do you understand all of that?
Yes.
You do not have to testify at your trial, and no one can say anything about you not testifying or hold it against you in any way. Do you understand all of that?
Yes.
On the other hand, do you understand that you have a right to testify at your hearing if you want to testify?
Yes.
How do you plead to the charge that you violated the terms of your probation by sending a threatening text message to your mother on March 5 of 2026? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. Do you understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up your right to a hearing, as I've already explained to you?
Yes.
Has anything been promised to you to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Has anyone threatened you in any way to get you to plead guilty?
No.
If I accept this plea, you'll be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right, hold on a second. Mr. Davis, you were placed on probation on this misdemeanor, and one of the terms of your probation is you were not to engage in any threatening or assaultive behavior. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you were also okay. So on March 5 of 26, did you send a text message to your mother?
Yes.
Okay, and was the nature of that text message what she would have considered threatening?
I mean, probably. I said I would do stuff to protect my kids, and it was probably not good.
Okay. All right. Okay. But would you agree that your mom probably found that to be threatening or intimidating?
I don't think she really is threatened by it, but I
I
think
fucking hate you and I hope someone kills you. You're dead to me.
she
Did you
probably,
send that to your mom?
I
Or was
don't,
that to?
I don't
So when
know.
I'm looking at these text messages, your mom basically said, I don't agree with what you're doing with so-and-so. And would you agree that's a text message you sent?
Probably, yeah.
Okay. Don't you think someone might be a little intimidated by that? Or feel threatened?
She's been trying to do that stuff to me though by showing up to my visits and my drop-offs and stuff like that. Like she just keeps inserting herself where I'm at, and I've been trying to get her away. Like her husband literally showed up at my house and got
Hey, Zach,
arrested.
Zach, it's right now it's sort of a one-way street. You're the
Oh,
one on probation, so you got to
sorry,
complete.
yeah,
So do you agree that these texts were assaultive
yes,
and okay, and you sent them?
yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I accept the plea that has been given. Understandably, voluntarily, and accurately, has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. So, Mr. Dagger-Margosian, obviously, there was a recommendation. Is there anything you'd like to say on behalf of your client?
I reviewed the recommendation with Mr. Davis. I think the recommendation is appropriate. It calls for a suspended sentence and for Mr. Davis to re-engage with counseling. I think that's like very appropriate for these circumstances. In speaking with Mr. Davis, he recognizes that, there are better ways to handle this than the conduct that occurred here. So I think this is a great opportunity for him to better himself and learn from this and, not do it again.
All right, Mr. Davis, anything you want to say on your own behalf?
I agree with him. I really should have went about it a different way, and I probably it is in my best interest to get back into counseling because I do have a lot of unresolved issues with my mother that I need to obviously figure out.
Don't we all? But you don't talk to or make threats when you're on probation,
I know,
right?
or in general,
Okay.
but yeah,
Or in general, but especially not when I can send you to jail. All
yeah.
right. Very good. Anything else?
No,
No, you're on. Thank you.
All right. So, Mr. Davis, I'm going to continue on probation. I'm going to order that you re-engage in counseling. I believe you were going with Sally Welsh, so I would like you to reach back out with her and be truthful about this violation and follow up on those sessions. And I am going to give you a suspended sentence per the recommendation. So 30 days in jail, but I'm going to suspend that. If you violate again, you're going to do that 30 days. You got me?
Yep, I gotcha.
All right. So you do have a right to appeal this sentence. We are going to mail out to you. Are you still on Zinc?
Yeah. Yep.
We're going to mail out to you 3 copies of your notice of right to appellate review and a self-addressed stamped envelope. So when you open that envelope, it's going to have a self-addressed stamped envelope and 3 copies of your notice of right to appellate review. It's going to be
Okay.
marked with sign and date 1 to acknowledge you received it. Put it in that envelope and mail it back to me. The other 2 copies are for you. And if you wish to appeal your sentence, you would fill out the information and mail it to the address listed on the paperwork within 42 days. Anything else, Mr. Dagger-Margosian?
No, you're on. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Davis, good luck. Thank you.
When do you know when I'm supposed to start with Sally? Or do I talk to
Reach out to her
probation?
today and say, hey, I violated probation. This is what I did. The
Okay.
judge wants me to re-engage and she'll set that up. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.